Right now, on this chart, the market is coiling up like a spring, and most traders can't even see it. By the end of this video, you'll spot this exact three-candle pattern, you'll know the exact rules for buy trades and sell trades, and, most importantly, you'll know which setups to completely avoid. Because in this strategy, the trades you skip protect your account just as much as the trades you take. And the best part? Zero indicators for the pattern itself. No settings, no lag, just pure candles. It's called the Double Inside-Bar Coil. But before we start, one quick and important note. Trading carries a real risk of loss. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and there are no guaranteed results here. Everything I'm about to show you is for education only, so always practice on a demo account first and never risk money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's start from the very foundation. First, the foundation. This big candle is the mother bar. Draw two lines in your mind, it's high and it's low. That's the box. The next candle fits completely inside that box, wick to wick. That's an inside bar. The market pausing, compressing. One inside bar is common, but two in a row, each tighter than the last, that's the coil, pressure building, and pressure always finds a way out. Now before you look for any trade, add a 50 EMA on your chart. That one line is your confirmation filter. Price above it, you only look for buys. Price below it, only sells. This single rule will save you from most bad trades in this strategy. The buy trade, price above the 50 EMA, buy only mode. Mother bar, inside bar 1, inside bar 2, both completely inside the box. Now watch the mother bars high. You need a candle to close above it. A wick poking through means nothing. There's the breakout, and your buy goes on the very next candle. Arrow always on the candle after the break, never the break itself. Expiry, around 4 candles. The sell trade, perfect mirror. Price below the 50 EMA, sell only mode. Same coil. And notice, the inside bar's colors don't matter, only the range does. This time you watch the mother bars low. A candle closes below it, and your sell goes on the next candle. Same 4 rules, flipped. Now the part that protects your account, the trap. The coil can break in 2 directions. Left side, uptrend, coil breaks up with the trend, valid, take the buy. Right side, same uptrend, but the coil breaks down, against the trend. Most beginners take that as a sell. We don't. No sell, no buy. Skip it completely. That's a shakeout trap. Same on the sell side. Downtrend, breaks down. Valid sell. Downtrend, breaks up, trap, skip it. Remember this line. One direction is a signal, the other is a warning. The 50 EMA tells you which is which. And being honest with you, even valid setups sometimes fail. Price breaks out, then snaps right back. That's a failed break. It happens to every breakout strategy, and no filter removes it completely. Your protection is simple. All 4 rules or no trade. Now, because things happen fast when you're trading 15-second candles, I've put together a completely free PDF guide for this exact strategy, linked in the description below. It covers everything we just went through, plus a 1-page entry checklist you can keep open on your screen while you trade, so you never second-guess a rule. Grab that right now, and let's keep moving. Let's jump straight into the live market examples on my screen, so I can show you exactly how to filter out the bad setups and protect your account balance. Okay. Watch this closely. This is a live setup playing out exactly the way we just learned. Price is riding above our EMA, the trend is clearly up, so we're in buy-only mode. And right here, notice how the candles pulled in tight and coiled before this point. That's our signal building. The moment a candle broke and closed above the setup, I took the buy on the very next candle. There's our entry line. No hesitation, no second guessing. The rules lined up, so we act. Now we let the market do its job. And look what happens right after entry. Price doesn't stall. It pushes up, candle after candle, staying well above our entry line. This is exactly what a released coil is supposed to do. All that compressed energy firing in the trend direction. And there it is. The trade closes above our entry line, right in profit. Clean win. Now let's wait for the next perfect setup. Because the best traders don't take every trade, they wait for the one that checks every box. Let's catch the next one together. Here's our second live setup, and this one is a textbook example. Look at how price climbed off the bottom and pushed above our EMA. The trend flipped clearly to the upside, so we're hunting buys only. The candles tightened into a small coil right near the top, and the moment a candle broke and closed above that setup, I placed the buy on the very next candle. There's our entry line. Notice I'm not chasing. I waited for the close, then acted. That patience is the entire edge. Now watch the trade breathe. Price pushes higher, then pulls back a little, then pushes again. It's not a straight rocket, and that's completely normal. See how it stays above our entry line, even through that small red candle? This is where beginners panic and close early for no reason. But we don't. We chose a clean setup with the trend behind us, so our only job now is to sit still, trust the rules, and let the candles finish the story. And there's the close. Finishing above our entry line, right in the green. Another clean win, and again, not by luck. Trend confirmed, coil formed, breakout closed the right way, entry on the correct candle. Same 4 rules, same result. That's what consistency looks like. Not one lucky trade, but the same process repeating. Now let's wait for the next perfect setup, because the best traders don't take every trade, they wait for the one that checks every box. Let's catch the next one together. Now here's something real. I'm taking 2 sell setups at the same time, side by side, so you can see exactly how this plays out in live conditions. Both charts showed price sitting below our EMA. Both looked like valid downtrend sells. On one of them, the coil broke clean below the setup with strong bearish candles behind it. On the other, price was hugging the EMA much more closely. Flatter, less convincing. I took both anyway, and I want you to watch them run together, because this is where you learn what a strong setup really looks like versus a weak one. And look at the difference already. The chart with the strong downtrend behind it is pushing lower, staying below our entry line, doing exactly what a release sell coil should do. But the other one? Price is fighting back up toward the EMA, refusing to fall. See how it's stalling right where the trend is weakest? This is the market telling us something. When a setup forms too close to the EMA without a clear trend behind it, it doesn't have the fuel to follow through. Same pattern, very different strength. And there are the results. 1 win, 1 loss. The clean downtrend sell closed right where we wanted. The weaker one, sitting too close to the EMA, went against us. I'm showing you both on purpose because anyone who only shows winners isn't being honest with you. This is real trading. You follow your rules, and some setups still won't work. That's normal. But notice why. The winner had a clean, strong downtrend far from the EMA. The loser formed too close to that line. The further and cleaner the setup, the stronger it tends to be. Remember that when choosing which trades to take and which to skip. So that's the double inside bar coil. The rules, the traps, and honest examples, wins and losses both. If this helped, subscribe and turn on the bell. Grab the free PDF checklist in the description and comment which part helped you most. Trade safe, practice on demo first, and I'll see you in the next one.